Welcome to my channel. Ngayon ang gagawin naman natin ay Filipino style nachos.
Okay, that's impressive. Pero using a rice cooker, that's the greatest thing kasi not everybody has an oven.
While stuck at home at wala pang biyahe sa barko, busy si RJ flexing his cooking skills on his YouTube channel, Freya's Kitchen.
Ingredients: cooked ground pork for nachos. You can check my YouTube channel for the recipes. Homemade Pico de Galo or tomato salsa. You can also check my YouTube channel as well. 2 packs Piattos Chips. Cheese whiz. Shredded lettuce. Extra chopped bell pepper and cilantro for toppings. Instructions: una, ayusin natin ang Piattos Chips sa isang round plate. Next, lagyan sa ibabaw ng shredded lettuce, cooked ground pork nachos, at cheese sauce. Ayan, tapos na natin gawin ang Filipino style nachos. Serve with tomato salsa on the side. Enjoy!